just picked up a seat, the ducktails, the wheel arch, chrome and all that sort of stuff, and yeah, geez, it's a beautiful part of the world around here, up in inland, up north, sunny coast. Yeah, sort of in the mountains, in the inland. Beautiful part of the world. Well worth the drive. Now I've got some pretty rare parts for my car. Now I'm just coming back. One of the big benefits of being single and living at your own is you can use your normal kitchen appliances for doing something not specifically designed to do, such as cleaning parts of your car. And you're going to rinse these off. These are the terms from the new charger. Window winder. Times 2. Getting the worst of the dirt off it. Door handle. Internal. Another center cap. Actually, normal like that. Got a bit of junk on. So I'll do a bit of a close up before I whack it in the dishwasher. Yes, dishwasher. Headlights around. Don't get too bad. This actually holds the lights on lenses into the bucket. Ducktail trim, very rare. Very lucky to get us to that, but not too much. So very happy about that. On the other side. Stuff is like gold. So these are metal ones, but you know you could always potentially 3D scan them and print them out in plastic. But you know, not the same. Anyway, then. Actual interior scuff plates. Give them a bit of a rinse. Yeah, everything's up, but at least they're there, because these things are pretty rare as well, especially for a charger. Oh. Apple TV's gone on the screen save. Dividing half my line. Other middle piece. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a long piece. Is that going to fit in? No, it's not, so I won't bother. Down there. Up. And the other side door handle. Alright, time to use an appliance for what it was meant to be used for. Yeah, that's a I do actually use my kitchen for cooking too, by the way. So what we have for dinner tonight is slow cooked lamb shanks wahi. And still got about 4 hours left to go on that. So the other thing is I have been using my kitchen to store stuff, which isn't necessarily kitchen related. Why do I have that? Well, I'm working out where to hang it on the wall. Why have I got these? Well, these are new car parts that have come in, so I've been working out what to do there. And they are going to go in there. Now, with the magic of loading everything up, this is what my dishwasher slash now parts washer is looking like. So I will actually I will do that just to shits and giggles. Let's put rinse aid. Oh well, give it every little bit that it needs. Ah, please close door. Right, let's see what they look like when they come back at the other end. Just a final sort of close up. I rinsed them down. They're still pretty dirty, like you can see there's a lot of stuff. See the chrome coming off on that one. But just the funny thing is that the bright bits in here, the ductile alone, which these are two sides from, and I've got the long bit down and it's still in the back of the Land Rover, they're going for $330, so they're not cheap. These things, I've got 3 of them now, 4 I think, yeah 4. The other one's still on the new charger, and I've got 2. I had to buy one for the old charger, and they were $180 just for that. They go around the grill. And then I didn't have any of the scuff pads or anything like that for the new one. And I didn't have that door handle. Well, I did, but it's on a door. So anyway, probably all up, we're looking around about, let me guess, including the caps and all that sort of stuff, and the doors and everything like that, you're probably looking around about $600 to $700 worth of parts. Yeah, unbelievable. Almost sort of getting up towards a third of what they were when they were new, as in the whole car. So that's how rare this stuff's getting. That's how hard it is to find. So I had to drive up to the Sunny Coast on yesterday, and I had to drive up to Sunny Coast again. So picking up parts, and yeah, it's taken a lot of time and costing a bit of money, but hopefully at the end of it, it's going to be sweet. Hopefully. Battery's just about to go flat, so let's close the door. It's off and running, and it's going to finish at 8:10. What's the time now? Tell me. 5:17. So that's going to get a pretty good wash. Yeah. See what it looks like then. Got to recharge the camera. Right, so I've done a bit with the Silvo, and it seems to be working. Have a look at the corrosion that was on it. and seems to be taking it off. Bit of work. This is after it's gone through the dishwasher. That's just taking the dirt off, really. Yeah, keep on going with this. Yeah, it's worth it. I mean, this came with the car, and if you want to buy one of these things, at least $180. So why not just have a bit of go with the silver? Yeah, on you. This is where we come down to a really expensive part, and yep. Well, okay. Let's see how we go with this. Ducktail. I think silver is so much of a light abrasive that I'm going to get away with this. It's got a lot of pitting in it. It's sort of doing what it should be doing. It's got just those little pits. No, I'm going to have to completely... I mean, I can get them to look shiny, but all those little pits and everything like that, no, that's not good. No, I'm going to have to do a bit more abrasive than, well, what are you carrying about? Going to do a bit more abrasive than to silver. So, sorry, my dishwasher was still carrying on. Alright, well, okay, rock on, not the best. Anyway, let's keep on going.